Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hello. Here you will find where to solve your questions about how to buy a dog door. These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to buy a dog door is wm7.walmart.com. See the page titled Bicycle Buying Guide and How to Buy a Bike, walmart.com. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site www.ebay.com, especially the page eBay Buying Guides, Electronics, Cars, Fashion. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see zero.r.msn.com. The web page Large Dog Doors at Amazon, Amazon.com. This is the link.